Do you know which direction your curve goes?
It goes like this.
So it goes like,
So, like,
it moves to the right.
Yes.
Do you know if it's a C curve or an S curve?
Wait, it's C is like only on the bottom?
Yeah, so this is actually good for you guys too. C curve implies that the scoliosis will come down, curve one way, and then come back to center. S curves imply that scoliosis will come down, curve one way, overcompensate and curl back the other way, and then come back to center. So when somebody asks, hey, is it a C curve? It only curves once. If somebody asks, hey, is it an S curve? It actually curves twice.
I think it's a C
Think
curve,
it's a
but
C
I'm not
curve?
sure.
That's okay.